We got one more thing that we have to do with our DEI website, the one that we've been building for the last 10 days. And that's pretty much just situated. Like, put it where it needs to be, make sure everything is set up so we can now start inviting people to the site. Let's hop into the video. All right, so we're back on the DEI site that we've been building for the last 10 days. But even though I'm calling it a site, what it actually is a page. Like, this is a page we've been putting together for the last 10 days. But what we're going to do now, like when I said situated, we're going to change it. So look, when I click on the home link, this is what the current home page of this site looks like. Something that we didn't design. It's just, came in there out of the box. So what we're going to do is we're going to change that. So we're going to go inside of the pages library. Then we're going to go down to the page that we created, the DEI page, which is what we've been working on this whole time. We're going to select it. Then we're going to say make home page. Once we do that, now if we click on the logo, if we click on the home link, it's going to take us to the home page. And look, the page we've been building is now the actual home page of the site. And we could do everything we were doing before. So the whole point is to cook it up behind the scenes, then publish it to the main page so everybody can use it. Now we're going to go to Teams. When we go to Teams, you can see some of the stuff I was doing here. We go to Teams, we're going to hit plus, we're going to add a new tab up here, and we're going to pick SharePoint pages. So we're going to click on that, and by default, it just shows us the pages that's in our site that's connected to the team. We're going to go to that diversity, equity, and inclusion page because that's the one we've been configuring this whole time. So we select that, and then we hit save, and now boom, we have published this into our team. The point of this is that a lot of people are at organizations where they use Teams a lot. So, it's going to be a little bit difficult to try to get them to go over to SharePoint, come back over to Teams. So why not bring SharePoint to them? And the purpose is so that it's easy for them to consume this information. Now, look, I'm showing you these documents because the documents are also the same. So, look, I'm going to filter them and just show policy. And when we look at these policies, we'll see the 3 policies we have: anti-harassment, equal opportunity, and inclusive recruitment. So those are our policies we have. But look, remember the policies we highlighted on the same page? Inclusive, equal opportunity, anti-harassment. It's all the same documents. So everything is staying in sync. The whole point of putting a page here is so it's just easy for people to get the stuff that they need. A lot of stuff, actually, all in one area. Now, here's the thing. I built this site so that you can see what's possible. But if you come to the workshop tomorrow, you can get a more in-depth understanding of how we do this. Get on that link, sign up, and make sure you come through tomorrow. There's only going to be a replay for like 48 hours, so you definitely want to be there live. And I'm giving out bonuses, discounts off a bunch of stuff that I have, all of that. You know what I mean? We're going crazy. So make sure that you're there. The link is going to be in the comments or wherever, in the caption, wherever, don't matter. Make sure you be there because it's going to be a good time and you're going to learn a lot. And whatever you learn, you'll be able to take and use immediately after that. So come through. I'm excited to see you there. You heard?